Hello,
Hello.
Sissy. Hi, can you introduce yourself?
Hello. My name is Elizabeth Nira. I am 30 years old. Um, I live in Philippines. I am Filipina.
So, when did you start to work in Hong Kong?
I start working in Hong Kong year November 2019 until now, previous 2025.
The same employer?
Um, I work in two employers. My first employer is I work 4 years contract, finish contract, and then now to my previous employer, 2 years contract.
Okay. So, what do you do in your house? Take care of the.
Um, I'm doing household chores like doing the cleaning, cooking, and take care children. Uh, and year old 9 until up.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook a Chinese food?
Yes, I know how to cook Chinese food.
What kind of Chinese food?
I cook Chinese food like I cook vegetable and I cook like the pork, the steamed fish, the fry vegetable, the fry pork, anything that Chinese cuisine.
Oh, so what do you want the next job? You want to take care of the elder or the children or others?
I want to have my employer like treat me like their family, and I can take care also children like 8 years old up, uh, and I can do the household chores for you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.